कहा टोपी है, मुझे टोपी चाहिए। पठान वाला टोपी है, 1 यूनिट कितने पैसे है? इसका तार चाहिए 1 मीटर। ये वाला स्क्रू है। शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। ये घर बहुत पुराना है।
So man, what crazy adventures will you show us today? Well, I was treated with exceptionally nice Nihari made by my hosts. To show my appreciation, I will try to fix their electrical problem and maybe get a topi while I'm browsing for spare parts.
We have arrived at Hydri area. Going up the stairs.
Crossing the yellow bridge. My hosts told me whatever I seek, I will find in Hydri market.
So there is that market. I need to clean camera regularly because it's quite dusty in here.
And we are in.
सलाम भाई, कहा टोपी है, मुझे टोपी चाहिए।
काफ़ी
जी, ये पठान वाला टोपी।
पठान वाला टोपी नहीं होगा हमारे पास।
माशाल्लाह। अच्छा, wouldn't mind getting a hat topi.
The Chitrali topi. But it's nowhere to be seen. Okay, a temporary new objective to find a Chitrali topi. And I'll visit that mall. Looks quite spacious inside. Look, many floors. I will briefly explore this mall on a mission to look for topi or electrical supplies. Okay, I will review each floor and will ascend to the top.
Few interesting escalators and floors. Everything has a of dark vibe. Nothing to say about such place. It's good to visit once, but then I wouldn't feel I visit more. Oh nice, that has a lot of floors. मुझे पठान वाला टोपी चाहिए. I am getting occasional some uncomfortable stairs. Fancy bride clothes, bridesmaid. No wonder no one's coming here. No one's getting married. Interesting scent of old food mixed with tobacco.
There's a mannequin wearing a topi that I guess is from northern areas. Right?
पठान वाला टोपी है. अच्छा,
Let me know in comments if I was wrong.
Escalator is not working.
Well, elevator doesn't work either.
Nothing is working in this floor. I feel those statues are looking at me and judging.
A broken elevator and escalator are not gonna stop me. They should tidy up the floor. It has trip hazards.
It's not locked, so I'm going. You might say, man, where the hell are you taking us? How would I know? Here's the view below.
Nice fancy glass elevator. That's a nice view.
And we're on the ground floor. Mission failed. Interesting to walk around in this area, so I'm still in Hydri Bazaar. I looked at that shop and nothing interested. Then inside the market there was a lot of jewelry shops. If there's no people around, that's not the place that is of any interest. That's a lot of motorbikes.
And my journey continues. I need to cross this fence of motorbikes. Suddenly, in a dark alley, I found a shop I was looking for.
ये वाला एक यूनिट कितने पैसे है?
ये और ये 70 रुपए का है।
हाँ
और ये 80 रुपए का।
हाँ
ये दीवार में लगाने वाला। ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है।
हाँ दीवार में वाला चाहिए। ये देखो, मैं देखूंगा। अच्छा
देखेंगे आप।
देखो।
Don't judge, I did my best at speaking Urdu.
होल्डर है, होल्डर ये बल्ब लगता है। इसमें पिन वाला बल्ब लगता है। पिन।
अच्छा
जी।
मुझे डब्बा नहीं चाहिए।
एक चाहिए।
एक only।
एक चाहिए।
एक जी।
अच्छा, ये 70 रुपये का पड़ेगा आपको, 70 रुपये।
अच्छा
जी।
मैं 70 रुपये दोगे। ये लो।
बस 4 बल्ब में एक इमरजेंसी है।
अल्लाह हाफिज़। Yeah, finally got to this item which I wanted. At the people's where I'm staying at, they have such item broken, and in the nearby bazaar I asked how much in Urdu. The person said 100, saw me then 250. Are you here 70? Much more appealing. So it appears that if I'm with that Chitrali topi, maybe I look like a clown. So was I not scammed? I think 70 is a good price. Leave a comment.
And it appears I found the next store I was looking for.
इसका तार चाहिए जी 1 मीटर।
खाली यही चलाएंगे, यही चलाएंगे, ऑन करेंगे आप
जी। कितने?
50 रुपये।
अच्छा
काटे नहीं अभी बाद में आप काम काट दें
काट दूँ?
ये तार काट दें।
मैं रुपया दोगा 1 मीटर।
हाँ, 1 मीटर।
ये वाला स्क्रू है। अच्छा कितने?
50 रुपये। इतना टाइम कहाँ होता?
माशाल्लाह, शुक्रिया।
Thank you.
अल्लाह हाफिज़। All got tired now, going home. If you know this place where we are now, leave a comment. Okay, I need to go on that bridge on the right side. And I remember I came out with from that yellow further bridge. But this one is closer, so I'll go here.
There is a person on this bridge offering passers-by to find out their weight. I returned uneventfully, but suddenly became heated up.
So now I'm back at the people. It's quite hot, so I just removed the kameez. So their lamp socket on a wall is broken. I'm very keen to give it a try to fix because I'm confident. But first things first, we need to turn off the power. Turning off the main switch is one thing, and next is just closing everything here as well as a safety precaution. See how it goes. So it's not wood, it's plastic. It just has wooden appearance. Since it's dirty, I'm putting on the ground. Dropped a screw. So I see the screws into the wall were not drilled, but just like, and then you can insert a screw. So I see over here the holes are not punctured, but that's a small issue. Fortunately, I already bought a cable. Okay, I like how it is going. I like where it is going. Oh yeah. Nice. ये तार बहुत पतला है. Good enough. Proper insulation. Totally, I can do that. I can revive those old Frankenstein holes. Here's the lamp. If this MacGyver Walla solution works, it'll be great. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's try. Consa button. Oh, bazinga! And that's what we're talking about. Here you have it. Good. ये घर बहुत पुराना है. Everything is made of powder. And there we have it. I visited Pakistan and ate average regular people's Nihari, and to show my appreciation for their kind gesture, I fixed their light bulb. That's all for today. See you in the next episode. Cheers.